Okay, ready. So children, we will discuss in polynomials. Okay, చూసుకోండి. In polynomials, we are discussing identities. Some identities I will discuss. So what are the identities we are going to discussing in this polynomials now means that one is a plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. We should remember the formulas. A minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Other one is a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula, children?
A square minus B square.
A square minus b square. What is the other formula? X plus a into x plus b.
To X plus B.
What is the formula? X square into
Plus,
x into a plus b plus c.
plus AB.
These four formulas, depending on these four formulas only, I will be doing the sums now. I will be asking one sum to each one. Please tell children. First question. Okay, 3x
Yes,
plus 4y whole square. Can you tell me how to?
3x square.
Okay, so this is in the form of this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whole
3x
square
3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4
compulsory you
4y
have to show
whole
the
square.
substitution. So compulsory you have to show the substitution. In exam you should write formula also. Now
Yes,
3x
sir.
whole square is how much?
9x square plus 2 into 3 6 20. Okay, sir. 24 xy plus 16.
Next. You tell Varsha 3x minus 4y whole square.
It is the second formula a minus b whole square. 3x square
Whole square. 3x whole square.
3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y whole square.
That is how much?
9x
2, 3 are 6, 6, 4 are 24.
24y plus 16 y.
16 y square. Next. Srinidhi, for you this is
Yes, sir.
root 2x minus 3y whole square.
It is in the form of a minus b whole square.
Okay.
Root 2 whole square plus 2 into minus
You have to say
minus
fast.
plus 3y. Okay.
3y whole square. Root 2 whole square is how much?
Root 2 whole square 2x square.
2x square. Root 2 whole square is 2x square.
Root square cancel. And into root 2. 4.
This is root 2 is 2. 2x
Root 2 is
square.
2 x
2,
square.
3 are 6. 6 into root 2. 6 root 2. X
6 root 2 xy plus 9y square.
Next Varsha is for you. Next. Fourth question is like this. 2x minus 1 by 3x whole square. Varsha keep saying Amma. Don't waste it.
Second one 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3 whole square.
Whole square. How much is that?
4x whole square minus
4 by 3.
4 by 3x.
3x whole square is how much? 3x whole square?
1 by 9.
9x square. 9x square. You should practice. If you practice, you'll get. Next 3 is you
Yes, sir.
x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square.
X by 2 whole square.
Okay.
X by 2 whole square minus 2 into x by 2 into y by 3 plus y by 3. Yes.
Whole square.
Y by
Yeah.
3 whole square.
How much is
X
this?
by x square by 4 into 2 xy minus xy by 3 plus y square 3. 9.
Square by
Sorry.
9. You should not
Y
do
square by
small
9.
mistakes. Next,
sir.
what shall you do? X plus 5 into x minus 3. X plus 5 into x minus 3. Varsha, this is in which form?
Third form.
No, fourth form. Fourth form. Because x is common, this is a, this is b. So you should write it as x plus 5 into x plus of minus 3. X plus of minus 3.
మీరు అక్కడ మైనస్ పెట్టారు కదా సార్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్
అదే
Plus of minus is minus only, Nana. Plus of minus is minus. I am bringing this in this form. I am bringing this both into this form. Okay. Now tell me substitution. x square plus
Plus
x into, who is A? 5.
5,
5
Who is B?
3,
minus
3,
minus 3.
Plus, who is AB?
5 into minus 3.
How much is the answer?
X square plus 5,
2x. 5 3 is a 50.
15.
5 is a 15. Like that. You
Minus
should think. You should think and you should do. Easy it will be. Okay. Once you practice, you'll become perfect now with this answer. Okay. Next, Sri is your
Yes, sir.
question is 2x plus 3y
Plus
into
3.
2x minus 3y.
We should write 2x plus
This
of
is in which
minus
form? This is in which form?
x plus a.
A
Yes,
plus
sir.
b, a minus b.
A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. So 2x whole square minus 3y whole square. 4x square minus 9y square.
4x square plus 9y square. Okay. Next
Minus.
one. Next one. Varsha, you tell. Next 8th question. See here. Question is like this. X minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1.
It is the fourth form.
Third form. A minus b to a plus b. Third one. So x square minus 1 square, that is x square minus 1. Okay. 3 did you tell?
Yes, sir.
X minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square minus 1 into plus 1 into x square x to the power of 4, 1 second, x to the power of 4 plus 1 second, 1.
What?
Yeah.
X.
First, these both are in form of
Okay, sir. A plus x square minus a plus b into a minus b, sir.
again. This is
Both.
also a minus b into a plus b. Again. This we can write as a square.
X square whole square minus 1 square. Okay, sir.
Very
X.
good. This what we can write. This what we can write.
X to the power 4 minus 1, yes, sir. X to the power 4.
plus. Again,
Plus
this is the
one.
form of a minus b and a plus b.
Yes, sir. X to the power 4 whole square minus 1 square. Yes, sir. X to the power of 8 minus 1.
Understood.
Yes,
Continue
yes, sir.
that form only I am doing. Continue that form only I am telling you. Okay, next question. Varsha, you tell. So, x minus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, okay, and x square plus 1 by x square, x4 plus 1 by x4. Varsha, can you tell me? These both are in this form.
Yes, sir.
So,
A,
X square minus 1 by x whole.
wait, Varsha, wait. This both is x square minus 1 by x square. This you write below that. Varsha?
yes, sir.
This both are a minus b, a plus b again, like how we did again and again. Can you tell for this both?
X square, x square whole square minus 1 by x square.
How much is that?
X to the
How much is this?
x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4
Okay.
of x to the power 4 minus 1 by x.
Again, this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Again,
X to the power 4 whole square 1 by x to the power 4 whole square.
so what is the
What
answer?
is x to
Yeah.
the power 6?
X to the power of 4 to the 8.
8 minus 1 by x to the power.
X to the power of 8. Okay. You are able to understand? Next question, like this only. Do you want to take picture or are you copying?
We're copying, sir.
Copy, compulsory you should copy. If not, Varsha, did you copy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One second, children. We are right now. Next question. So, Srini data.
Yes, sir.
103 into 97.
Yes. Nearest.
100 plus 3 into.
100 plus 3 into 100 minus 3. Yes, sir.
This is in this form. A plus
Yes,
B,
sir.
A minus B.
100
Where?
100 square 3 minus 3 square. Okay, sir. Okay.
A square minus B square. 100 square is how much?
100 square is 10,000. 10,000 minus 9. 10,000 minus 9.
Next.
Double.
Varsha, you done? Varsha.
100 plus 3.
103 into 103, 103. 100 plus 3 whole square. 100 plus 3 whole square means first form.
100 square plus 2 into 100 plus into 3.
Okay.
Plus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
10,000
Plus
plus
100 into 100 is 10,000.
2,
600.
600 plus 9.
9.
10,000 plus 609 is
1,609.
10,609. 10,000 plus 609. Okay.
10,006.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Median.
Yes.
97 whole square.
97 whole square. 100 plus 3 whole square.
Hey.
100 minus 3.
Okay.
100 minus 3 whole square. Okay, sir. 100 minus 3. 100 whole square
100 whole square.
minus 2 into 100 into 3
Whole square. Okay.
plus 3 whole square. Yes, sir. 100, 10,000. 10,000 minus 2 into 100, 200 into 3, 600 plus 9.
So 10,000 plus 9 is
10,009
minus 600.
and 600.
10,000 minus 600 is 9,400. 9,409.
409. Yes.
9,409. Okay. Next question. Version Newton. 0.99 whole square.
1 minus 0.1. 1 square
1 square.
2 into 1 into 0.01 plus 0.01 here.
1 square is 1 only.
1 minus 0.0. 0.0.
This plus this is
1.0000.
you have to subtract this from this. So how much? 1.0001 and 0.02 when you are subtracting 0.198. So answer is 0.8901. Next read it.
Yes, sir.
185 into 185 minus 115 into 115.
185. 185 square. 185 square minus 115 square. Square we can take common and 185.
In the form of a square minus b square.
Okay, sir. We can convert into a plus b into a minus b. 185 plus 115 into 185 plus 115 minus 115.
185, 115 is how much?
185 300 minus
21.
into 70.
7 3 is 21. 1 2 3 3 0. Next,
Sure.
what are you done? 0.54 into 0.54 minus 0.46 into 0.46.
Same the 0.54 square minus 0.46 square.
Get your audio. Srinit, some sound is coming now.
0.54 plus 0.46, 0.54 minus 0.46.
0.54, 0.46 is 1. And this is
Minus
0.08. So 0.08 is the answer. 0.08 is the answer. Next, Srinit.
Yes, sir.
103 into 107.
103 into 107. 110 we can take. 100 plus 3, 100 plus 7.
Don't
Okay.
take 110. Don't take 110. Round numbers you should take. This is in this form. Fourth form.
Yes, sir. 100 whole square, 100 square whole square plus x 100 into 3 plus 7 into
Plus
3 into 7. Okay. 10,000
10,000 plus 1,021.
1,000. Yes, sir. 10,000 plus
11,021.
1,000.
11,021. 11,021. 1,021 plus 10,000 is 11,021.
21.
Okay. Next. Varsha given 95 to 96.
100 minus 5, 100 minus 4.
I will write this as 100
square.
plus of minus 5. 100 plus of minus 4. I converted into this form. Model 100 square
100
plus
square plus the 100 into 5 minus 5 minus 4 into minus 4 plus minus 5 into minus
this is 10,000.
10,000 plus
Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9.
minus 900
Okay. Minus into minus plus 20.
plus
Plus 20. Okay. So minus 9,000 plus 20 is how much?
9,000
This is 890 minus 890. 10,000 minus 890 is how much? 9,110. 9,110. Okay. Next question. Next. You have to practice, children. If you practice only, you will understand. So 104 into 96. That's why I'm giving so many sums. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir. 104. 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Yes, sir. 100. A square minus a square minus b square. Yes, sir. 100 square minus 4 4 square. 10,000 minus 16. 9,984.
Next, version meter. 104 into 96. Yeah, 105 to 106. Yeah. Varsha. 105 is
100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. 100 square plus 100 into 5 into 6 plus 5 into 6.
8 plus 6.
10,000 plus
1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1100 plus 30.
30.
10,000 plus 1,130. This is 11,130. 11,130. You should understand, children. So, like this question, say if you get the unit parent children, they are very easy sums. Only thing is you have to do x plus 1 by x is 6. Find x square plus 1 by x square and x4 plus 1 by x4. This is a question. Yes. One sum I will tell, then you type. One sum I will tell. X plus 1 by x is equal to 6. Squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square here, 6 square. Squaring on both sides we should do. This is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 36. This gone. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2 will go this side. 36 minus 5 is 34. Okay. Now we got x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34. Again squaring on both sides. Why squaring on both sides? Because you want x4 plus 1 by x4 also. So x square plus whole square is equal to 34 square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square 34 square. What is 34 square, children? 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 33, 4 is 12, 9, 10, 6, 1, 1, 5, 6. Okay, so x to the power of 4, this cancel. 1156. This 2 comes here. X to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. 1154. Like this we should do. Okay, children. So I will ask you one question. Next
Yes,
question,
sir.
you tell, children. You tell. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So x plus 1 by x is x plus 1 by x is 3. Same question, children. Find x square plus 1 by x square. x4 plus 1 by x4. Yeah, Srinit.
X plus 1 by x whole square, squaring on both sides. 3 square is equal to 3 square. X plus 1 by x whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. So x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 9.
9 minus 2 is 7.
Yes, sir.
Again squaring on both sides.
X square plus 1 by x square by equal to 7 square plus 2 into 14.
X square whole square is x4. This one.
X4 2 by
This
2
comes
plus
here.
1 by
x4 plus 1 by x4 is 47.
49. 47. Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, Varsha.
Yes.
X plus 1 by x is 4. X square plus 1 by x square you should find. x4 plus 1 by x4. This also you should find. Varsha.
X plus whole square.
Squaring on both sides.
Yes.
X square.
Square plus 1 by x.
Come on, tell 60. X cancel. 2 goes here. X square plus 1 by x square is 16 minus 2 is how much? 14. Again squaring on both sides to get this answer. What happens? Tell what happens? X square whole square.
Whole square plus 1 by x square whole
2 into a into b is equal to 196. So this goes here. So x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. 196 minus 2 is 194. Like that. Okay. Varsha, you are not telling. Tell one more sum. I'll do for you. One more sum. 1 by x is equal to 5. Tell how to do this.
square on both sides.
Okay.
X square plus 1 by
2 into
a into 1 by
plus
5. Oh,
this cancel, 2 goes here. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25 minus 2 is 23. Now again squaring on both sides. Tell.
x square plus 2. X square whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x square plus 1 by
X square cancel. X to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 is equal to 23. 3 is a 529. 529 minus 2 is 527. Like that.
Yes, sir.
Same question again and again I am telling you.
ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదు.
మళ్ళీ అందుకే జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకుంటే అర్థమవుతుంది. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడు ఒకసారి. శ్రీనిధ్ నువ్వు చెప్తున్నానండి.
X plus 1 by x whole square 2 square. X square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equals plus 1 by x square
A square 2ab plus b square. దీన్ని ఇలా రాసాము, దీన్ని ఇలా రాసాము.
Then x cancel, 2 will go to that side. 4 minus 2, 2.
Again squaring on both sides.
Again x square whole square plus 2 into x square by 1 by x square is equals plus 1 by x square whole square is equals to 2 square 4. Yes, sir.
This is square. This is A square 2ab plus b square.
X to the power of 4 plus x square 2 minus 1 by x to the power of 4 is equals to 2.
2.
Yes,
4
sir.
minus 2 is 2.
2. Yes,
Varsha
sir.
try check. X plus 1 by x is 6. Try check.
Square on both sides.
Okay, squaring on both sides.
X square plus 2 into x into 1 by x into plus 1 by x square is equal to 36. X x cancel to 34. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 36.
Okay, again squaring on both sides. X square
X
plus
plus 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. 1 by x square into 1 by x square whole square is equal to 1154. 1154.
1154. Okay, next variety. You have to practice. That's why you have to practice. If you practice, you will become perfect. Because if you don't practice, if you keep all the work pending, day by day, your work will increase. You can't manage to practice everything then later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question, same in this variety view. X plus y is equal to 12. Xy is equal to 32. Find x square plus y square. We have to find this. Okay. You do squaring on both sides for this.
X x plus y whole square is equals to 12 square.
Okay.
x square plus 2 into xy ఇక్కడ 32 అని ఇచ్చాడు.
That is later. First you do y square is equal to 144.
Y square is equal to 144.
This 32 now you substitute.
Yes, sir. X square plus 2 into 32 plus y square is equal to 144. X square plus 2, 64 plus y square is equal to 144. 64 goes there, 144 minus 64. 0.
80. Alright?
Yes, sir. 8. Yes, sir.
Varsha, you tell.
X square plus y square is equal to 8.
Varsha?
X plus y is equal to enter, sir.
10.
Okay. Square on both sides. X square plus x square plus 2xy is equal to y plus y square is equal to 100. X square plus 2 into 2 y square is equal to 100. X square plus 4 is equal x plus y square is equal to 100. X square plus y square is equal to 106. Sorry, 96.
Next. Srini, they same like that sum only Srini.
Yes, sir.
3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Xy is equal to 6. Find 9x square plus 4y square. Same
Okay.
question.
Yes,
Squaring
sir.
on both
Same.
sides.
Squaring on both sides, 3x plus 2y whole square is equal to 12 square, 144. 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x plus 2 into 2y plus 2y whole square is equal to 144. 9x square
2 3
plus
6, 6 to the 12xy.
12xy plus 4y square is equal to 144. Xy is equals to 6. 12 into 6 72 is equal plus 4y. 9x square plus 72 plus 4y square is equal to 144. 72 goes there. 144 minus 72.
Is equal to 72. Same. 72 only.
Yes, sir. 72 only. Yes, sir.
Next.
72.
Varsha, you tell. Fine. Varsha.
2 square on both sides. Two x square plus 2x 2 into 2x into 3y is equal to plus 3y square is equal to 100. 2x 4x square 12y 12xy plus 3y 9y square is equal to 100. 4x square plus 12x 4x square plus 24 plus 9y square is equal to 100. If you take 24 to the other side, 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 100 minus 24. 4x square plus 9y square is equal to
36. You're able to understand what I'm doing?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So, this you do. 3 did you do?
Yes, sir.
2x plus 3y is equal to 8. xy is equal to 2. Find 4x square plus 9y square.
Squaring on both sides. 2x plus 3y whole square is equals to 8 square. 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square is equals to 64. 4x square 2 into 2 4 12xy plus 9y is equals to 64. Xy is equals to 4x square plus 12 into 2 plus 9y square is equals to 64. 4x square plus 24 plus 9y square is equals to 64. 24 goes there. 44 is equals to 4x square plus 9y square is equals to 44.
40. Varsha, last sum.
40, sir.
3x minus 7y whole square is equal to 10. xy is equal to minus 1. Find 9x square plus 49y square. Varsha? Squaring on both sides.
Yeah, square on both sides. 3x minus 7y square. 3x square
This is, yeah, expand. 3x square.
square into my
10 plus 7y whole
plus
square.
7y whole square is equal to 100. 3x 9x square minus 42xy plus 49y square is equal to 100. 9x square minus 42. Okay, minus 1. 9x plus 42 plus 49y square is equal to 100. 9x, if you take 42 to the other side, 9x square plus 49y square is equal to 100 minus 42. 9x square plus 49y square is equal to 58.
58. Okay. You're able to understand what I'm doing, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you do these sums like this sums only, as many sums as possible, then you become perfect. Okay, Sreen, can you tell this?
399 whole square. 400 minus 1 whole square.
Expand.
A square 400 whole square minus 2 into 400 into minus 1
No minus 1. A minus B.
into 1 plus 1 square 400 square 16 0 0 0 0 plus minus 800 plus 1 16 0 0 0 1 799. Okay, sir. 15 10 0 15 1 150101. Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this
Okay.
you have to do, children. I think this is wrong. You check once how much you get, that's much you put. But like this you have to do some, children. I will send some children. You better you do it and practice it and show me. I'll tell one more variety, children. One more variety. Just both of you tell one sum, remaining sum you do as homework. Screen the usual 175 into 175.
Yes, sir.
2 into 175 into 25 plus 25 into 25. Simplify this. This is in the form of
A square into 2ab. Oh, yes, sir. 175 plus 125 whole square.
just 25 whole square.
Yes, sir. We should simply 200 whole square.
That's a row.
Okay. Okay, sir. Understood.
Varsha like this sum what you do? 322 into 322 minus 2 into 322 into 22 plus 22 into 22. Can you tell Varsha?
322 plus
Minus.
mine
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
A minus b whole square.
Come on, tell.
322 minus 32 22 also 300.
90,000. Okay, sir.
Understood?